start the video. Raohe Night Market. Okay. Is that how do you say it in Chinese?
饶河夜市.
All right. Thank you very much. My correspondent for the day. Raohe Night Market is famous. Is there anything else you want to tell us? You're Taiwanese. Just famous, right? That's it?
Just famous.
All right, there we go.
Night market.
You're going to get the whole Wikipedia on this one. More and more than you asked for. So we're going to head down here and see why it's so popular. The first place is what it seems everybody's going. What do you call those buns?
Pepper cake.
Pepper cake? All right, pepper cake buns.
Good.
Let's go check out the pepper. Gee, I can't talk. Raohe Street Night Market. Here we go. This is the lineup?
Yeah.
She cut line. We were actually in here a little bit ago. This is the kind of the crown jewel thing that you can get. These are the pepper buns. We'll show you. She cut in line over here and got one on the way out. What do we got? Here, I'll show you the deal with these things. Here, they sort of, it's like a pork sort of filling, and see they go stuck inside those sort of pot. What do you call that? Pot of some sort, or a,
Pepper cake. And yeah, they put it in the
they
pot.
stick to the walls. They come out kind of crispy. You liked it.
Yeah, good.
I thought it was okay. It was okay. What do we got over here? What's this? Oh yeah. Oh, squid. All right. Wow. It's a little busy, so a bit of a zombie walk. That's how I can describe it.
Don't say zombie walk. You have to walk
It
slow.
feels like, well, we're walking like a zombie.
You have to walk slow.
I guess zombies, they run faster now, so she's more correct. Like a 1960s zombie. They're slower. What's that? Mushroom? I don't think they got the name right. They deep fried mushrooms.
Yeah, I do remember.
That'll probably be okay. Oh, what's this?
And I want to try this thing again.
Cranberry. You want to try one? You gonna get one?
Yeah.
All right. Well, she's getting her cranberry. Yeah, come here with an appetite. You'll leave about 45 kilograms heavier. Cranberry, sweet.
Pretty good.
Let me try some of that.
Yeah, this is good. It made with 100% cranberry.
It is good, actually. Just a hint of sugar. You got a bit of sugar in that, right? A little bit. Boneless chicken leg. Look at the butter or something.
This is fine.
Is that what I had last night?
Yeah.
It was pretty damn good, I'll tell you that much. Yeah. What do we have? What's this? Rice? What's this?
This is lamb fried chicken. Oh, lamb fried rice lamb. And they have beef too. Fried rice with beef and fried
They got a place to sit down. Yeah, this goes on for a good 2 to 3 blocks. You go up one side and you come back the other. Hey, this beer's video. I'd like to take a few minutes to tell you we're sponsored by Bar Beer.
This one really good for winter, you know.
Oh, it's got
Sesame oil. They cook with sesame oil. In Taiwan,
right.
usually in winter, they eat sesame oil because it's good for body.
Oh, I can see that. Well, it's healthy, you know. It's like my grandma used to always say chicken noodle soup and orange juice. It's sort of the same idea. Pump yourself full of vitamins. You want to go here? Yeah, sure.
That's fine.
All right, you got it.
Juicy chicken leg.
Juicy what?
Chicken leg. Chicken leg. They put rice inside, you know?
Oh, rice inside the chicken.
Yeah, and they grill.
It smells like stinky tofu over here. You've never smelled it before.
Spicy stinky tofu
pretty
with duck
unique.
blood.
With duck blood
Yeah, duck blood.
and intestine soup.
Yeah, that's really
God,
yummy.
is that a sales pitch or?
It's very popular.
Yeah, I know. It's just, that's the one thing you're not used to if you're a foreigner. Those intestines, pig blood, duck blood, all that stuff.
They made with Chinese medicine and with land. Yeah.
It's that time of year too. People want this sort of stuff,
Yeah,
right?
it's good for. It's really good.
Is that ginger?
Yeah, ginger and land.
Yeah, it's just chock full of vitamins. This is called a sticky rice. Is that right? Sticky rice?
Yeah, yes. This one not sticky.
What is it?
Oh, that's sticky rice. Yeah,
That's a sticky rice.
Yeah, this one they make with seafood.
Yeah, this place, it's busy. We started about 2 or 3 blocks that way, and it looks like we've got at least 2 or 3, 4 more blocks that way. We'll also check out some of the side streets. You can kind of poke down. There's more things than just food. I think there's a lot of shopping and whatnot around here. I got a bit of everything here. Get your brushes. You got the idea. It's a market, so. Oh, what is that? What kind of a creature is that?
Fried squid.
More squid. Those are big squid. Poor squid.
It's big one.
The smell of stinky tofu is in the air. Again, I can't describe it. You get this thing, and when you come to Taiwan, they'll say, "Oh, it smells really bad, but it tastes really good." But I don't know about you. I've tried it, and it sort of tastes exactly like it smells, like most things. What's this?
Pudding.
Oh, desserts. Just say, I think this place has more food options than the Shiling Night Market. Yeah, Shiling Night Market has a bit more space to move around, but if I had to choose between one of the two, and I could only go to one, I would say this one probably a bit better than the Shiling. You'll often find in the brochure Shiling it'll say, oh, it's the largest and whatnot, but yeah, this is more for the food, and you still get the shopping thing here. I would say this one, in my opinion, if you had to only choose one, would be the place to go over Shiling.
I just don't know what it is.
King crab sticks. The price in Taiwanese would they'd be about $2 American a piece. Yeah. I don't eat seafood, so sorry about that. Oh, and if you're a little kid, you can do your shopping here as well.
That's what.
I know. Dress them up as a little frog or something. What's that for?
My cat can wear.
Your cat? Oh, that's for an animal?
Yes,
Jesus.
that's for everything.
It's kind of cute though, I guess. King oyster mushrooms?
Yeah,
Grilled. Everything's grilled. Grill it up. Is it Taiwanese favorite? What, Taiwanese beer? That one there? I'm just kidding.
the seafood, the meal.
Neo?
Meat.
Oh. That's snail? Snail.
Snail, yes, snail.
Snail meat. And of course, they got full-blown bars in these places too. That's for the dads that don't want to be here, I guess. What's that?
That beer, not bad.
I think you should get wasted. This place has got a lot of different types of food. I thought it was mostly the same, but I'm changing my mind. Okay, we're gonna go off the main rip. You go kind of alongside everything. You'll get a bit of a variety. You want to sit down? Teppanyaki. Sort of like walking through kitchens. Oh, these kids catch fish. Splash their brother. And shrimp. The kids can go shrimp fishing.
This one died.
So if you step back a little bit, there's these little paths you can go along. We're gonna head back this way. You can kind of see all the things from the outside. Tons of clothes. And...
Do you need pants?
No, I don't. No, I don't feel like trying them on. Yeah, they are cheap. $12. Oh, Jesus. What's going on here? What's this?
They clean the face.
Oh, it's cleaning the face. All right. Is this a fortune teller here? I mean, you get off the main rip's all about food, but you get into these back streets, you have everything. Not everything. You know, there's not some things, but... Wow. What an adventure. What's that? Yeah, it's a kind of, you kind of want to have a shower when you get out here. Get all this stuff flying off everything. Oh, smokers. Okay, I gotta ask, what happened to this lady here? What's this all about?
I don't know.
What are their faces? Is this some sort of like acupuncture thing? What is this? What, those tags, they have words on them.
You know,
Her
you
arm's
have
not
like
doing
this.
too well.
How to cut this?
They put little pins into your body?
Yeah, they just took it out.
I don't think we're doing that tonight, are we? All right, that's it. We've walked both sides. We walked up on the food side and back, kind of in these back alleys. So what'd you think overall there, Yin? You like it?
Interesting here.
Yeah.
I like it.
Actually, I'd say there's more of a food choice than other markets,
Yeah.
for sure. So there's a reason to come here. At first, I wasn't too sure. And if you want to, you can even, yeah, it's free. You can go walk around in the, sorry, the beer was in this hole. This beer's, thank you for the beer in this video. It's nice inside. And it's definitely popular. Raohe Night Street?
Yeah.
Night Street, night market. Raohe Street night market.
Street night.
I don't script things. We're gonna take the MRT back?
Yes.
All right.
Please.
That's it. Okay. See you later. Bye-bye.